Hello guys, my name is Nathaniel. I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a Khan account. Khan Academy account, and Khan Academy is used by Miss Wilson to help you with math, teach you some math stuff, help you on quizzes, help you if you don't know something. There's a bunch of videos. You can also learn other stuff like computer coding, computer science, and Java. So let's get started. You want to go to the sign up button at the top. Then you want to click on loaner. So loaners can have an account, teachers can have an account, and parents can have an account. But since we're going to be a loaner, then we're going to be going to this. So you want to start by putting your year, date of birth, all that good stuff. So the month, day, and your date of birth. Then you have three options: Google, Facebook, or email. Google, it just takes you through the Google, and you just have to put your password in for your Google, and then you're done. Facebook is basically Facebook. Emails for anything else that's not Google or Facebook, so Yahoo, Outlook, all that. Okay, so I'm doing it by email so that my personal account doesn't come in, but you want to put your email in. So this is the email that I'm typing in, is an email that I made for this video. You cannot use a school email. I repeat, you cannot use a school email. School emails will not work. You have to use your own personal email. So you want to put your first name, your last name, because this is just as a example or for this video. I'm just going to be K-12 over. Then you want to be, going next. Just a couple seconds. So yeah, just want to go next. Wait for it to load. It's loading. Just give it a sec. Okay, so then it's gonna be loading. And then you're done, and basically now you have your account. But you're not completely done. You want to pick like what grade you are in, and then just go through that. You don't have to go through the whole thing, but you can. And since we're gonna be using this for math and Miss Wilson's, I just did math. You want to head to coaches. It's on the mid top. There's like a navigator bar, and you want to hit coaches. Wait for it to load. Takes a couple seconds. Then your teacher or Miss Wilson should be giving you a class code. You type in that class code, all caps, and then you hit join. Once you have hit join, once you hit join, your teacher will pop up on the right side, and in this case we make Miss Wilson. Also Miss Wilson, teacher note, don't forget to update assignments every time someone news. So once you've done that, you won't, on your navigator bar, you should have assignments added to your navigator. That's not going to show up into your teacher or Miss Wilson's updates your assignments. So that's how you make a Khan Academy. I hope this has helped you out.